Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Bri U Hynniewtrep, under the leadership of the Secretary of the Hynniewtrep Youth Council, who is also the executive member of Bri U Hynniewtrep, Donbok Kharlyngdoh, held a demonstration on Friday in front of the main Secretariat Building in Shillong to demand from the government to make public the Justice Vaiphei report into the death of former General Secretary of the band HNLC, late Cheristerfield Thangkhiew, in August 2021. Speaking to media persons, Donbok Kharlyngdoh informed that the state government has agreed to table this matter on the floor of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly once the session is approved. Further, the government has urged upon the public that till then they should remain calm and be patient. However, Kharlyngdoh concluded by saying that should the organization find the report unsatisfactory, it will resort to other forms of agitation against the government.
We want justice. 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 MDA, beras sama, beras sama, berstatus sam, berstatus sam.
Let's say, kebangan lapan orang mengisu tenat bahak dengan janmit, lingba kajing sawah, jongga kordom, haki skor, tentang skor, jongga PCM, ulah kot ingin bandrong support. Tinggal ayok bandrong support. Barang pengirung, ngim semua kerana ginu giman, ngiong baik ngiwan hang ni, semua sayno, ya ketika kaipon, ya keba Vaiphei, Vaiphei, Chairman John Kamikla State Market Commission ulah submit siapa. Barang nilai ekran ya kini kabenta masuk komen bau Chief Secretary Batamai udah bat di PCM. Kila yok ban reply sini. Bat ka reply ke jongki kalong ba nagliang jongki kiong ba hakini ki kendiat scheme ladat ndalai debiyo approval ke bomot kinsa sedang no ketika session kabomot hakan 9 of September kinsa le no haka first day jong ketika session de kila kerpat ingi bagi long patient tingi kumang ilong bang ilalong patient since 13 September 13 August 2021 ngelong patient nangamtan ketika jing sya dekat jubor jong jing jurang ba tingi lalong mentaro ngilang patient hadu 9 of September. Tingin pa yang tu kei ka outcome kei ka jingmi lingba kata kai pot ya ka ba table sha po ka house position par hadin nta lada kadon ka bathiang la singin ya kemen balada kadon ka bajau ngihap ban ya perkat pat ban ya sadi kiwi pati. Kedi kalau ka assurance nak liang jongi shop pa ba jong beri